Well, it's a beautiful day today, I'll tell you what, and that's probably the reason why the phone is not ringing right now. Because people aren't thinking to use their air. There's people who got their windows open, but I can guarantee, between 2 and 5 we'll get the calls. We are 24 hours, and you'll have air, and you'll be a lot happier. If you have an older system, I highly recommend, going with our maintenance plans, and they're so wonderful because you get priority service. Your trip charge is cut in half. Your parts are 15% off. The financing options are pretty much going to be for new equipment installation. There's so many different options nowadays. Great payment plans. They have lifetime warranties. You've got 10-year parts warranties. You've got a 1-year labor warranty with an option to extend it to 10 years for not much more money. It's more affordable than some that I've heard out there, $200-300 to clean your furnace and AC, and then you get the discounts. But with us, it's a lower price up front and you benefit from it, and then you get an honest company in return. We're not going to price gouge you. We're not the most expensive, we're not the cheapest, we're fair priced, and we do a good job. And then we send out the right guys too.